How to monetize TikTok account. So if you want to monetize your TikTok account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're under your profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here you need to have the creator tools. If you don't have the creator tools, then you need to go with settings and privacy and change your account to a creator account. You need to scroll down and you will have an option to switch your account to a creator account. Once you switch your account to a creator account, then you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 bar, and tap on TikTok Studio or Creator Tools. It's the same thing. Now scroll down and here you will have the monetization option. Here, as you can see that you will have the monetization section. Now these are all the methods that I can use for monetization. You may also have a few more options. So for example, if I want to monetize with video gifts, then you can just simply tap on video gifts and turn on the gifts feature. Now viewers can send gifts on your eligible videos when feature is turned on. So if you turn on the gifts, if you receive the video gifts, then you'll be able to earn some money. So to enable your gifts, you may have at least 10,000 followers. So make sure that you're eligible and then tap on turn on gifts. In the same way, if this is not available, then you can go with work with artist, which is on the second option, or subscription or any other options. You can go with view all, and here you will have all of the options that you can turn on to monetize your TikTok account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.